guys, I need a new painting to make during the week and I have nothing kitted up. I'm gonna do All Cats Do Go to Heaven. This is a square, as you can see right here, from Diamond Art Club, 22 by 33. Lots of grays, greens, and whites. So come and kit this up with me. We're going to use the Elizabeth Ward style storage system. And let's get started. I already have the canvas in my closet because I want it to be already all nice and flat by the time I get to it. So it's already out of the box. I only have on the box the drills and the stickers, the labels. This is a 47 color, 3 ABs, 2 specials. These are the fairy dust. And let's get started. Yes! That color palette is just gorgeous. Oh my god, those greens. Ooh, look at all this 310. All right, let's start with the ones that have less. Look at that AB. This is AB 107. Oh, I'm so excited for this kit. If you guys watched when I unboxed this, okay, this was part of my clearance mystery box that I got from Diamond Art Club, and I would have never chosen this artwork. I rarely do blacks. I like more colorful ones, and I've never done one for this artist, Mandy Manzano. But other than that, when I look at it up close, I love it. And I'm so excited to do it because this is something that I would have never chosen for myself. Let's do number 754. So I am very, very excited to do this. Barely any static, so that's good. Okay, 943. So I'm very excited to start this one, even though I would have never chosen it for myself, like I said. So I think that's the idea when you have these mystery boxes with mixed things that you don't get to choose, because you get to look at like new artists. You get to look at new things that you'd have never chosen. I gravitate more towards the colorful, more vibrant, happy. And this is kind of sad because it's about how when cats die, they go to heaven with angels. So, but still, I'm going to complete it. I'll give you my thoughts about it. And I will be putting it in my wall. I mean, it's something that you pay, something that you spend your time on. This is the fairy dust one. I need a tray. Oh. Z47. Okay, 3865. It has drills from my other painting, from a round one. Usually I don't have more than one kitted up. So I have to, I like to do one at a time. It's better for me to make myself complete them instead of having 3, 4, 5 kitted up and then not having completed. So I prefer to stick to it and just finish it rather than just having to have lots of them kitted up. Even though this is my favorite part of diamond painting, kitting up, it's my favorite part. I prefer to stick to one and then finish it later. And then finish that one and then continue with the next one. Maybe in the future, I have so many of them, I get to kit them all up. But so far, I don't have a huge stash. Right now, I may have like a 9 diamond paintings in my stash. So I won't be kitting 2 or 3 at the same time so far. 24, 25. Next one is 368. More shades of green. Luckily, I like it. I did the What Lies Beneath. It's the huge octopus one, and that one had all shades of blue. But blue is my favorite color, so I didn't mind that. This one is shades of green. Luckily, I like green. But like I've said a million times, this I would have not chosen for myself. So I'm excited to try new things and new painting, new artist. All right. 3, 8, 10, 3, 8, 10. 3, 8, 10. I need to get myself a sticker maker for the kits that don't have labels, that only have the legend. I have a few of those that I bought from Shein, and they don't have labels, so it was a disaster for me kitting up. So I need to buy a sticker maker. 3809. That one had a little bit of static. Let's see, what can I tell you about? Work has been awful. Very busy. You guys know that I work in a call center from home. And usually we are not very busy. At least with the difficult calls. Because it's busy, but with easy stuff that you can just 1, 2, 3 and that's it. But lately, this month, it's been so busy. And I'm kind of stressed out from work. And I always tell my family that I'm so grateful that I have diamond painting to help me with the stress. That's why I like to have one kitted up and do while I work. Like, I didn't have anything to do today is Wednesday, October 18. I didn't have anything to do the rest of the week, and I hate that because it means that in my time off or in between calls, I'll be in my phone watching TikTok. So even though I like it, I don't like it while I'm working. I like to do that before I go to bed. Watch TikTok videos. 3848. And work has been very stressful this week and last week, this whole month of October. And that's why I need this big painting. For me, this is big size. Small size is a 30 by 40, 15 by 17, 30 by 40 centimeters. So it would be, that's, for me, that's small. This is more on the bigger side. This one is 22 by 33. For me, this is more on the bigger side. So it'll be at least a week and a half for me diamond painting this kit. $37.61. And then I like to cut it diagonally because I use that tip as like a funnel. See, I mean, I don't know, maybe it's harder, but I like to cut it like that. This is number 30. 807. Like a dusty blue. Number 21. $3.55. I think this will be all the shades of her hair. All of this brownish, reddish colors are the shades of her hair. Which I think that if you are a cat person, I'm a dog person. I have 2 mini Schnauzers. But if you're a cat person and you have a cat, you can definitely personalize this painting to more to look like your cat. If you're good at that, you can change the color of the cat, because this one is like a brown one. I'm sorry, a white with a little bit of orange. You can personalize to the colors of your cat. To make it look like like yours. Like I said, it's kind of sad because it means that your animal passed away. But I'm excited for the wings. I'm excited for her dress and her hair. I'm more excited about the angel than anything else. All right, we still have more of these colors. 38.30. 38.80. Luckily, these ones don't have lots of static. It's manageable, because it's hard when you have lots of colors and the static starts to get you. 37. 356. Number 10. 107 is the AB. I guess we're gonna have some ABs in her hair. Alrighty, 608. Oh, that was easy. Did you see that? It was easy. That's how it's looking so far. Let's do 814. I think this is the last of the little ones. I don't have this color. This is a new one for me. It looks very cute, like a wine color, like a dark burgundy one. Let's see what we got here. These look like they fit on the little ones. I have more of those. 741. Such a big bag. $741. Number 18. $321 and $758. These both fit on the little ones. $321, $758. And then this one is $758. Number 20. All right, so I think we're done. Maybe I'll find one or two in here. Okay, let's do 414. What you think? Here or here? Let's do the big one first in case. Nope, definitely a big one. And it has some static. Let me grab my dryer sheets. All right, here they are. This does work. It just doesn't work instantly. You have to leave it there about 2 days and open and close it a few times, and then you'll see that the static will go away. But it does help. All right, we have one more baggie of 414. And since we are using this container, because this one, yeah, it would have been tight. And with all that static, yep, it filled it almost completely. That's why you should put the drills in first and then the sticker, just to make sure you know which one you're using. Yeah, that one was not going to be, that one's full. 13. Okay, next we have number 3799. We have 3 bags of these. And 3 bags. We have 6 bags, 6, 7, 8, 9 bags of 310. So obviously that's not going to fit on one container. Let's do that. 3799 has 10. 964 has 2. So this one is going to need one of these. Then we have another one with 2 baggies. This one is going to need another one of these. $4.15 has 2 bags, 1 bag. Two bags. 2 bags. 2 more. $992 and 3814 is 22222. This one is 1. 991 is 2. This one is 1. And then, let's see, 413, we have 2. And then 6 of these. Oh my goodness, I made a mess. Okay. I think that's the fun of it. Don't you think? Don't you think this is the fun of it? This is the AB 125. And then the other AB is number 141. So those are the 3 ABs. We have a very plasticky smell. Like, if smells bothers you, try not to smell these because they have a very plasticky, non-good smell on them. 958. Oops, 958. This one has some static from the bag. Let's see how it turns out. Oh, not that bad. It wasn't that bad. Number 26. All right, let's do these big old ones because I have exactly three colors with the most drills, and I have exactly 3 of these. Okay, so that's 3799. Let me stick a dryer sheet. This is a dark gray. There we go. A whole container. There we go. Okay, our next one. Let me get this ready. Okay, so we know 3 of these fit, and we have 6 of 319. Oh no, we don't. 890. Oh, look at that. So someone will have to go on the next one because I only have 3 of these. 890. This is a beautiful dark forest green. It's beautiful. 23. 24, 23. And then obviously we're gonna put 310, Mr. 310 in one of the other big containers. And then we'll leave 319 in one of these. Yep, we need a dryer sheet for this one. Okay, this is number 7. So we have number 7. And then this one, we'll leave it here to the end, and then let's do 310. So we'll know for sure that we need 3 310s, and then these, we'll just leave them here because we know we won't be able to stick them all other than 3 of these baggies. This is always the container I use for 310. I kind of know it because I can take the full cap off or top. All right, let's do that second bag. And this one is really full. Okay, and some of them are jumping. Last bag. Can you see all of those drills jumping everywhere? Can you see that? Oh. All right. Come on, everybody. Inside. Inside. Come on, everybody. Come on. Inside. Okay. Where else? That one is a green one. Okay, we got it. Okay, this is number 4. So obviously we have to make space here. Number 4. And then let's continue. These are the ones left. Okay, let's do 413. Oh my goodness, they're everywhere. So what I did is I bought 2 different Elizabeth Ward style kits. I bought this one that had the medium, the large, and the second. The medium, the large, and the second small one. And then I bought the 80-piece one that had all the tiny little ones. Because if I was doing a painting that had lots of colors, I would be able to have the little ones available for me to kit them all in one of these. So it happened exactly for my 67 color one, Cupcake Bakery, and I kitted them mostly on the small ones, and then I left the baggies the colors that had more than one baggie, I just store them apart and then refill as I went. But everything was in one of these Elizabeth Ward styles, even though it had 67 colors, and whatever didn't make it. This is number 12. I mean, I can't be fishing them all out. And I'm pretty sure I won't run out, so I can't be fishing them all. Come on, there's another one here. Okay, so that's done. Let's do number 317. Let's put one of these in. Either if I need them or not, I'll just stick them in there because the static is getting crazy. So I was saying, I bought the 2 of Elizabeth Ward styles, and now I have the perfect combination, in my opinion, to kit up my kits. Okay, that was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, a 6th one. Who is number 6? Number 318. Where is 318? 318. 318. Here it is. I'm going to link it down below if you guys want to check it out. It's kind of on the expensive side, but I was hesitating in getting one, in getting the Elizabeth Ward. And honestly, if you can spare the money, go ahead and take the 2 sets instead of 1, because you are going to need the smaller sizes. So you can do like I did. If you have a painting that has lots of colors, you can use all the small ones and then just refill during as you go. And that way you only have 1 instead of having 2 Elizabeth storages, because let's face it, these are heavy and big and noisy. So sometimes in the weekends I like to go to the living room and do and diamond paint in my dining table. That way I can still be around my family and talk to them while I'm diamond painting. And it's kind of heavy having to take everything and then go and diamond paint over there. Let me see if this one fits here. No, it's okay. So that's 5, 6. Where's 7? 6. This is 8. Where is 7? Can you see it? Here it is. It's right here. So 5, 8, 9. 6, 7, 8, 9. And then let's go again with 10. 11. 11. 12. 13. 13. 13, where's 14 is right here, so it's going to be a big one. 15 is here. Then we have 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 25, 26. This is 23. 25, 26. 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So let's move this one's here. 30, 31, 32. Okay, that's good so far. Okay, let's do 14, which is 4, 15. Oh, I think I can stick these here. What you think? Let's try. Yeah, I think I can. Let's try it. Okay, let's go for it. Let's take the risk. Oh, wish me luck. Did I make it? Did I make it? Oh my goodness. Oh, I did it. It's to the rim. Oh, do you think it'll open? It'll pop open? Oh, I'm scared. Oh, I did it. I fit them. They don't even move. Oh my goodness. Why did I do that? Why? This one's 14. So this one goes up here. 14. And then 24, 25, and 26. There we go. It's looking cute so far. I love it. Oh, I love it. This is why I love this storage system so much. It's fun to kit up and you get to look at the colors at the same time. Next we have number 27, which is 964. And it looks like 964 also fits on that small one. I'm gonna try it. Why not? Let's risk it. Because they're kind of not that full. Let's risk it. I mean, it's not that I don't have the space. See, it kind of looks like they all both fit. Let's risk it. Okay, this one wasn't as bad as the other one. See? And this one moved. This one wasn't as bad. Okay, next is number 28. 991, 991, 991. No, this one definitely needs to come here. It does have static though. Let me put some dryer sheets. Yeah, this one needed to be in this bigger container, especially because it has static. Oh my goodness. Where did these two come from? There we go. Okay. Number 29 now. $29 is $992. And everything else just goes on these big ones. One, because I have the space, and two, because the bags are filled in. They're very full. $29, $30, $31, $30, $31, $32, $33, which is $38.08. This one here. Was 33, 34, 35, 36 goes here, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, and 41. There we go. 36 is number 38.3814. There we go. And last one is one of the this is the fairy dust one. There we go. Awesome. Let's go ahead and cut this right here. Perfect size. So let's take a look at it, how it looks. I like to see the final kitted up. Yes, this one is so full. But I love the color palette. I'm excited. I can't wait to start working on it, which fortunately is going to be tomorrow. And then I'll just store my extra ones here. This one is number 319. 319, this one. And then these are 310s. And then just put this in here. We put this right here. And then that's how I will be working on it. These are just going to go into my other storage that I got, which is this one. This is my other one. Let's see, do we have some space? I don't think we have some space either. Nope. 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 These are the other ones from Diamond Art Club that I completed. I never do anything with this sticker thing. I have more from Diamond Art Club, but I haven't completed them, so I just leave them in here. All right, let's get the painting. Alrighty, this is it right here. I won't be able to put it all in frame, but this is basically it. Lots of the ABs go in her dress. The fairy dust one goes in her dress. Her wings are mostly ABs as well. And then her beautiful face. The cats on the moon. Thank you so much for joining me. This is my next painting that I will be completing. Have a great day, guys. Thank you.